Today we're going to show you how to install a Philmac 3G poly to copper fitting.
Using polyethylene pipe and copper pipe. Copper pipe is 3/4 of an inch in this case. It's important when using this fitting that we actually have 2 to 3 threads exposed on each end, and then we get straight into the installation. So for the polyethylene end, simply a matter of pushing the pipe as far as you can into the fitting, tightening the nut by hand, and then ensuring you get the nut all the way to the flange by tightening with a wrench. For the copper end, what we're going to do is witness mark the pipe. So we use the flange as a guide, just using my thumb against the pipe, and then it's a matter of pushing the pipe into that depth, again tightening by hand, and all the way to the flange using a wrench.